Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox my AirPod Pro 3 case from Nomad. It's called Modern Leather Case. So I've been using Nomad as my AirPod case since the beginning of AirPod Pro 1 was released. And then when the new AirPod Pro 2 was released, and I found out that both AirPod can share the same case, so I put it on my AirPod Pro 2. And I've been using this case for almost 2 or 3 years now. I cannot remember exactly how long. But let's further ado, let's open the new guy here. Oh wow, it's still amazing me. Let's try to put the AirPod in. So the installation of this case is really simple. First, put in the bigger part of the case, like this. That's so satisfying to slide in. And then to install the second part, you have to open the case first, and then install it from here, like this. Okay, and voila! Your brand new AirPod Pro 3 now protected by beautiful leather case by Nomad. So this case made from Horween leather from Chicago, USA. It supports wireless charging and it also has integrated lanyard attachment point right here. But it doesn't come with any lanyard, so you have to use your own lanyard. See now, see? Yep, so only the box and the case. That's all that you got. Okay. The thing that I like from this case and why I choose to buy it again, because this case looks so minimalist but elegant at the same time. When I put it somewhere else, it just lay down like a beautiful lady here. I don't know if the new one also used the same leather as the previous case, but this case looks more glossy compared to the new one. I don't know, maybe because it's already 2 or 3 years old. But another thing that I love from this case is the longer you use this case and the more scratch it has, actually looks more beautiful for me. See? Something about the leather that has scratch on it that looks so classy and elegant as well. Okay, let's back to the new one. So the case is really minimalist, as I said before. It only has like a plastic in the middle of it. It has presses cut up for the USB charge and the speaker of the AirPods, and a minimalist brand here. See? Now let's see whether this case is really support wireless charging. So here I have wireless charging from Anchor. So I'm going to put it here and then turn on the yeah, it's support guys. It support wireless charging 100%. That's cool. Okay, in case you wanna put up the case or take out the case from the AirPod, it's a bit tricky. Okay, First, you have to open the small part like this. It's very easy to open the first part. The second part, this is where the thing is become ugly. So please do not try to take out your iPod by pull out the top cap like this, because this is going to break your AirPod Pro case. Okay. So the trick to open this case is you have to use something soft. This one, for example, I'm using my old Apple Wallet. Hold your case like this, okay, and then push the white part. Just gentle push, and then once you see the space here, hold your case like this, then shake it gently. And voila. And I'm going to put it back. It's really satisfying, guys. So guys, if you're looking for a case for your iPod and you're looking for something like a classy, minimalist, and elegant at the same time, and also become beautiful with the time, become more beautiful with the time, then you have to check out this case. Modern Leather Case by Nomad. I really recommend it. Okay guys, thank you for checking this video and see you next time.